welcome to Tuesdays with Neeti, and I'm not gonna say please excuse me with the background because ये मेरा जहाँ कपड़े सुखाते वाला बैकग्राउंड है, बैल्कनी है, बैकग्राउंड बोल रही हूँ, बैल्कनी है, and धूप इतनी अच्छी आ रही है over here, so I was like let me make the episode today over here, and I don't care if you guys wanna judge, but ये हम सबके घर पे होता है, so yeah. We're also the same, and we always have someone ringing the bell in all my episodes. So wait, I'll get the door, and I'm going to be reading out all the questions. Okay, so if you're wondering कौन था, तो गैस वाला था. हाँ, हमारी वो गैस पाइपलाइन इधर लगी नहीं है. It's still not come here in wherever I stay. So yeah, so गैस वाला भैया आया था. Mom is taking care of it. गैस लग गई है. Okay, guys. Okay, also please use the hashtag Tuesdays with Neeti, so it's easier for me to answer because there are so many questions and it's crazy to answer all of them. So please आप use कीजिए ताकि मेरे को भी थोड़ी importance मिले थोड़ी सी. चलो, everybody keeps asking me about KYY. तो पहले बता दूँ मैं. When you like I am in touch. Not like, hey, what's up and hi, how are you and all, but yes, if I see like, oh, they've done a new show, they've done a new video, they've done something, and when you want to really appreciate anyone, I'm like that, but I've never been the best of friends with anyone, so my friend circle is very different. So ये जो भी जो common question, are you in touch with the cast, are you in touch with the cast? Cast से क्यों नहीं पूछता, are you in touch with me? Why is the question always coming to me? Okay. Okay, so Jaydeep is saying, I can't wait any longer than this. Please come back on screen. Trust me, nothing will happen to you. A million fans are waiting for you. We all will pray for you and Parikshit for healthy and long life. Please come back. I will, okay. Thanks, yeah. But I'm still scared, but ठीक है. Okay. I read your thoughts. I know it. Chalo. Pray that I get nice, good offers. By the way, my husband is very lucky for me because when I was there in Ahmedabad, this is just a secret I'm telling you, he's super lucky. I told him also, I was like, people को होता है ना कि शादी के बाद, but मेरा पति seriously lucky है because I remember the calls I have got for so many shows and now I can see they're all on television and I'm like, oh shit. नहीं, it's not oh shit, but yeah, it's something I didn't want to do at that point of time, so yeah, but he's been very lucky and now when he's gone I'm like अब इन लोग 5 दिन के लिए मेरे को बहुत सारे calls आ जाएंगे फिर. He was okay. So Tuesday with Neeti, the study galaxy. D, have you made a bucket list in real life like you made in Kaisi Harya? Yes, I have made a bucket list, of course. You only asked me did you make, so I am answering yes. Next question should be what are the things in your bucket list? Yeah, I have made a bucket list. Okay, so Tuesdays with Neeti, you are like a Disney princess. This is from Harshita. I think I answered you last time also. Okay, so you're like a Disney princess, but if given a chance, which princess role would you love to play? Oh, I would love to be the mermaid because I love water. So yeah. At what age did you decide choosing acting as a profession and how did your parents react to it? Like I always say, that I never decided. It just all happened and मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. Then I remember कि बड़े के बाद बहुत बड़ा gap भी था and my mom was also very unwell. So because of that I went back to Delhi and then again I came back. So there were too many things also. Like I was studying and then things happened. So too many things. So ऐसा था नहीं and till date I always say that I love acting. Okay, Nation wants to know. Is Neeti Taylor aging backward? Credit goes to my parents, I would say that only. Yeah, okay. So, okay, I'm only reading the hashtag wale, okay? So, Neeti D, would you like to say that parents who really force their children into academies, I know it's important to study, but equally important to learn different kind of skills. What are your takes on it? I totally agree on it because I'll tell you something, honestly, in my school, you know, like academy, like books were everything, studying and getting the best marks were everything. इतना competition हमें दे रहे थे. I was very pressurized in my school. Like I think a school should be all about studies and about other skills also, so that you can develop your like forte. You will understand what are you really good at, and there are many times ऐसा होता नहीं है. So I think it's really important. Yes, studies is really important, but other things are also. And I'll tell you, because of my school का thing, I was never good in basketball. मैंने कभी किया ही नहीं. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके you are doing this, you better study. You एक तो firstly getting 100 marks all the time. Some children का नहीं होता 100 marks. And my mom, I love my mom for this, because when I was a child, she always used to say, Neeti, you do your best. Whatever is the best is fine. I know I'm not complaining about other parents at all over here. I am not. But I think that's it never like जो मेरे बस के अंदर था मैं वही करती थी. कभी कभार होता है, कभी कभार नहीं होता है. But pressurizing is too much. It's something I will not support and tell my children. But equally doing different skills, it's really great. Does Parikshit know he's G of 2 million plus girls? नहीं यार, मैंने नहीं बताया. But I will let him know. Okay. As I said, whoever uses the hashtag. How did you spend 2020 lockdown? Okay, so this is Kamalika. So holiday spend, I spent it with my parents, and trust me, I am someone who loved the lockdown. I did love it, and मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आया because I spent time with my parents, and I have never spent so many months. It's always been 10 days, 15 days. I think 15 days has been maximum for all these years I was out, but it was really nice. And also I love home food, so वो नहीं था कि यार ये खाने like pizza I don't feel like eating only. I don't like. So ऐसा नहीं था कि यार बाहर खाना है, यार बाहर जाना है. I'm very house only person, and after the lockdown, now when I have to go out now, I get so tired. I hate going out of the house. I'm telling you, my sister came, she helped me work, and I used to be so dead at the end of the day. I'm like, nahi yaar, going out is not meant for me. I love the lockdown because I get to be at home. Okay, so Anita Das, okay. How does it feel to have Nugget, and how are you managing to take care of him along with other works? Okay, so it's great to have him. It's something that we both wanted, and he's a dog lover. I'm a dog lover, so we decided for our baby, and of course it's magical. How am I managing when I do Zumba? So he is sleeping by then, so I wake up a little earlier, I play, and he gets very tired. So by the time I have Zumba, which is from 10 to 11, he is lying, and I put him right in front of my eyes, so I know that he's up sleeping and all. And दूसरा काम हो जाता है कुछ ना कुछ करके. Yeah. So I'm literally honestly replying nicely to everyone. So what are your conditions, as you had mentioned in the previous videos, if you get opportunity? What are my conditions are between me? मैं को बताऊँ इधर. Sorry. Okay, Tuesday with Neeti, Pooja, Pani. How about your friends with Stebin and Parth Palash? How about them? अच्छे दोस्त हैं. कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स तो नहीं है, मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स अलग है, तो फ्रेंड सब है. Okay, so Myra, what did you enjoy more? Acting in TV shows, hosting, MV? I love TV. I love serials. I am a hardcore serial one. So yeah. Okay. So Ipshita, when will you get shooting? I think you need to see the previous episode because I've answered that. If you go on a solo trip, where would it be? Somewhere in Europe. मैं बड़ी फट्टू हूँ. मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. मैंने ट्राई किया है वो. चलो. I need someone with me. I'm very fittu like that. Okay, so Navya Jain, how do you manage to make episodes for us from your busy schedule with your family? So like I knew I had to wake up early to make the episode, and ठीक है यार, it's no matter how busy your life is, you need to know your priorities, and that's how you make time for it. So that's what I do. Imagine you got everything that you wanted to do in life. What would be the first thing you would want to do? I would want to buy a car. That would be a Jaguar or an Audi. Yeah. घर तो है. Okay, so next question. Hey, tell us about the moment you realize yes, you're famous now. People know you as a celebrity. हाँ, इससे रास्ते पे चल के I remember एक बारी मैं ऑटो में जा रही थी. to Thakur College where we used to shoot. And अब that time it was new and you know कैसी आ रहा was also very new. तो कार और कुछ भी नहीं था, अपना ऑटो ही मस्त था. वैसे भी for me autos only love in Bombay. So I remember मैं ऑटो में थी and few college के students were you know passing by and all, and they were like, oh my god, Nandini Murthy, Nandini Murthy. और मैं इतनी embarrassed, I was like, oh my god, I'm in the auto. They recognize me. मैं पहले एंड ऑटो भैया देख रही कौन है, oh my god, and they're running on the road. And मैं I was feeling so shy. Firstly, I was very little embarrassed कि मैं ऑटो में थी. So like, हाँ भैया चलो चलो चलो. And that's when I thought कि Niti, I am famous. And from the next day, I remember I tied a scarf, so you know, my eyes are shut, like my face is bando. Okay, so I'm just reading few more because then it becomes very long. Okay, who suggested the name Nugget Baba? It was me. It was Nugzy or Nugget. And Nugzy पहले decided था, फिर suddenly I was like Nugget, chicken nugget. बस कैसे बुला रही थी? And I was like, he's actually like a nugget, so that's why we decided Nugget. Okay, so Sangeeta has said, what is the best and worst moment that you've experienced while shooting on set? See, I'll tell you something. If anything bad happens to me, I try and forget about it and now forgot it. And so many experiences. Of course, yeah, every moment is not the best moment. I've got yelled at a lot and in front of everyone. Yeah, like yeah, on the mic. So yeah, best होता है कि सब लोग clap करते हैं तो यार. I'll tell you best. I was in खतरों के वो खतरा. मुझे नहीं पता, like they do it for everyone and I didn't know that. Like whenever any actor enters, so they clap. I really, the first time I went, that was the first time I went there, first and last time I entered and everybody clapped and I was like, oh my god, everyone knows to be, और इधर बड़े भी stars आते, तो मैं बहुत खुश हो गई थी. That was my best moment, just by the way. I was very happy and then I got to know कि सबके लिए करते हैं. But I took the positive thing and everybody clapped for me. Oh my god, yeah, that's me. Okay, so Avni Mehendirata has mentioned how difficult was it to manage a COVID wedding in a week. So I'll tell you this, it wasn't very difficult because we were supposed to get married on the 25th of October. But मैं ढूंढ ही रही थी. I was talking to designers. I had even like spoken to everyone. So I remember as soon as it was finalized, मेहंदी वाला ढोल वाला मैंने सबसे बात की थी. तो अभी ढोल वाले की जरूरत नहीं थी. Or makeup and hair I knew who was gonna do, who did my engagement, and she was like, I really loved her work. So photographer was a little problem for me, but that also we managed. Okay, so guys, I think you're gonna have a problem with this question. Niti, how about having a haircut? I miss your short hair. Like the short hair looks so cool. Okay, everybody loves my long hair, I know that much. Actually, I'm growing my hair for my I had cut my hair when I got the style, just by the way. I got the style and then everybody started copying me and everybody has short hair now. No, but I wanted long hair for my wedding. That was the plan. That's why I wanted them to grow long. And that function is not done. I'm gonna continue having long hair and no haircuts for now. इतने मुश्किल से लंबे बाल हुए मेरे बहुत टाइम बाद. It takes a lot of effort to have your long hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna answer the last two questions. Okay, Dr. Aishwarya, among all your shows, which is your favorite? कैसी है यारिया? Because it made me who I am, so no doubt about it. Last question. I'm just looking for the last question to be really good. Okay, Tanya Gupta has asked me, have you been obsessed with something? Yes, earrings. Everywhere I go, I'm shopping for earrings. Okay, this is the last one because I would like to tell you guys. Mansi Thakur has asked me that how did G's react after seeing the response of the love story, the video. He's just like, yeah, Niti, itne likes so good. He talks in English though. I'm like, oh my god, so many likes and all. I was like, yeah. And every day he checks the likes. Kitne views, sorry. He checks the views and he reads all the comments and everything. So guys, he sees it all. Okay. मेरे को खत्म ही नहीं करना. चलो ये लूसीफर का एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके How do you annoy your favorite people? Funniest thing you've done till now. If you have a time machine, will you go back to your past or future? Time machine mein, I don't want to go anywhere. I want to be here only. Yeah, I would go back to the size I was if you ask me that. Like I would like time machine mein agar wo hota ki can I get the shape back, just my figure back, I would like to do that. Okay, when I had my short hair, I was a thinness then. How do I annoy my favorite people? Annoy kar lete hai, make fun of them. I think that's annoying. And I do ऐसे भी voice note. Hello. What are you doing? This is what I do. So yeah, that's how I annoy. Chalo, I am done. But guys, please don't forget to use the hashtag. And for those of you who have not answered, I'm sorry. So ending this segment here. I hope you liked this. If you like this episode, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, and please subscribe and shower all your love. And log abhi, washing kar rahe aur dho rahe kapde, so I better get going because the noise is going to become louder and louder. But this is me signing off. I hope you like this episode. Please subscribe, guys. I need all your love, and don't forget to use the hashtag Tuesdays with Neeti. And that's it. See you. Bye bye.